Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Bigo Live app on your Android. Before getting started, make sure that you have a stable internet connection so that you can download the app without any hassle. So let's get started. Firstly, open up the Play Store app in your phone. Once the main tab has opened, click on the search bar at the top and then write in Bigo Live app. As you can see, it shows the recommendations. Click on it and then it will show you the app. Click on the install button and now all you have to do is wait. Once the download percentage hits 100, then the app will be successfully downloaded. After all this, your app is now ready to be used. As you can see, the app is now visible and then you can open it as well.
How to download Bigo Live Lite application on your smartphone. If you're using an Android, tap open your Play Store, but if you're using your iOS, you can tap open your App Store and go to the search box and type in Bigo Live Lite and make your search. In the search results displayed on the next page, tap on the install button right next to the Bigo Live Lite application and the download will begin. Wait until the download finishes. It will only take a few seconds. If you have a strong internet connection to your device, wait until it installs on your device and you'll be good to go with Bigo Live Lite. The Bigo Live Lite is the light version of the popular social network that lets you connect with others through live videos. You can also follow other users, watch their channels, and participate in their broadcasts as well. Once the application gets downloaded, you can simply see the open button popping out in the display right next to the app. Tap it on and there you have installed Bigo Live Lite application on your device. Now you can simply go ahead and type in your Bigo Live phone number that is associated with the account and log into your account just like that.
How to create a Bigo Live account. So firstly, open up your Bigo app. Once this page is opened, you can see that you can create an account either using your phone number, Facebook account, Google account or Twitter. Here I'm using my phone number. You can either use Facebook or Google account for this. Click on next. After that, you'll receive a verification code. Add in the verification code once you receive it and now you'll have to choose a password for it. Make sure that you use a strong password so that your account remains secure. Once you're done typing the password, click on sign up. Here in this tab, all you have to do is choose your username. This will be a display name, so you can either choose your real name or you can go with any other kinds of username. Once you're done writing the name, click on next. In this tab, you'll have to choose your gender and then your birthday simultaneously. So choose your gender accordingly and then add in your birthday. As you can see, a calendar has appeared. You can choose your birthday here. Once you're done choosing the birthday, click on confirm. And then click on the next button at the bottom of the screen. Once you're done with everything, your account will now be successfully created. As you can see, the account is now ready to be used.
How to log into Bigo Live from your Facebook. If you'd like to log into your Bigo Live account with your Facebook account, now let's get started. Tap open your Bigo Live application from your app drawer. Soon after you end up in the first interface of Bigo Live, you can see that there is a text box where you can type in your phone number and log into your account. But if you'd like to log in with the Facebook option, then at the bottom there is a Facebook icon displayed. Simply tap it on. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook account as well in the same device. And now it says that Bigo Live will receive the following information from your Facebook profile. That is your name, your profile picture, email address, and friend list. Tap on continue as your Facebook at the bottom. Wait for a few seconds and just like that you'll be logged into your account. If you're not logged into your Facebook account, then you'll need to type in your Facebook account's credential to log in.
How you can log into your Bigo Live app. So first of all, you need to download the app either from your Play Store or App Store. As you can see, I've already downloaded the app. Now open it. Now to log into your Bigo Live app, on the bottom of the screen, you will see the option with login. Tap on it. Now choose the option whether you have created your Bigo Live account using your phone number, your Facebook ID, your Apple ID or all of the options that are listed below. Tap on the option. Now enter your phone number or with what you have created your Bigo account in the first place. Enter your phone number, then enter your password in the second box and then tap on the login option. You can also log in via your verification code as well. If you want that, you can do it or just simply tap on the login option. So if you want the web browser to save the password for you, tap on the save password option, or you can also skip the part and then tap on not now. So as you can see, that's my name, and now I have already logged into my Bigo account.
How to log in into Bigo Live account? So firstly, open up your Bigo Live app and then click on the me icon at the bottom right corner. It will open up your profile tab. Click on the sign in button at the top. It will open up this page where you can add in your phone number or use your Facebook account, Google or Twitter in order to log in. Click on the next button, and now here you'll have to add in your password you used while creating the account. You can also choose to log in using a verification code. Once you're done writing the password, click on the login button. And that's it. You have successfully logged in into your Bigo Live account.
How to log into your Bigo Live account with a desktop. Start by opening up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in bigo.tv and make your search. From the official website of Bigo Live, go and click on the login button in the top right corner. Once you click on that, the sign-in area will appear. In order to log into Bigo desktop, you'll need to go ahead and scan this QR code, but also you can log in using your Facebook account, your Google account, your phone number, or your VK account. In today's video, let us go ahead and click on the phone number option. And now, to log into your account, make sure you're clicked on this login link, but if you'd like to sign up, go and click on the sign up button. Select your country or your region from the drop down, type in your phone number on the next field, enter your password into the next text field. Once you enter your password, you can double check by clicking on this eye icon at the right corner and finally click on login to log into your account. That is how you'll be able to log into your Bigo Live account on your desktop. To go to your profile, you'll need to click on your picture at the top right, which will bring out an expanded menu. Click on user profile in order to visit your profile. How to log out of Bigo Live. If you'd like to log out of your Bigo Live account on your mobile device but you don't know how, then start off by tapping open your Bigo Live application from the app drawer. If you're not in yet, first sign in order to learn how. From the home page of Bigo Live, you'll be able to see all of the live broadcasts appearing on the display. You'll be in the popular category as soon as you land into your home page. In order to log out of your Bigo Live account, since you are done using Bigo Live for the day, tap on the human icon in the bottom right corner. This will open up your Me profile page. Scroll all the way down from this page and go to Settings and tap it on. Now under Settings at the very bottom, you'll be able to see a button that says Log Out. Tap on that. In the pop-up, confirm that you'd like to log out of your account by tapping on Sure. And there you are, logged out of your Bigo Live account, quick and easy. If you need to log back in again, you'll need to go ahead and type in your phone number and go through the phone verification process in order to log in.
How to change the password of your Bigo Live account. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Bigo Live app. Once the main tab has opened, click on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. In this tab, you will find a gear icon in the top right corner. Click on it. Here you'll find account management at the third option. Tap on it. In this tab, you'll find the phone option in the top along with your phone number beside it. Tap on it. As you can see, there is a change password option in this tab. Click on it. Once you have reached this tab, all you have to do is type in your old password, and once you're done with the old one, type in the new password you want to change into. Then click on done, and that's it. Your password has now been successfully changed. So how to recover password in Bigo Live app? So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Bigo Live app. Add in your phone number to log in as usual and then click on next. As you can see, you require the password in order to log in, and since we don't have the access to the password, click on the forgot password at the bottom. Here, add in the phone number and then click on next. Now a verification code will be sent to your phone number. As you can see here, I have received my verification code. Now add the verification code to the slot and then write in the new password you want to change into. Once you're done writing the password, click on done, and that's it. You have recovered your password successfully.
How to change your name on Bigo Live. If your name on the Bigo Live account is wrong and you want to edit it, you can do this in few simple steps. Now let's get started. Start by tapping open your Bigo Live application from your app drawer and make sure you're signed into your account. From the home page, go to the human icon at the bottom right hand corner and tap it on. Now, this will take you to your profile page. Tap on your profile picture at the top of the screen And in this page, tap on the pen and paper icon at the top right corner. Right where it says a name, tap it on and input the correct name for yourself. After you're done, tap on submit. Go back and there you have changed your name for your Bigo Live account. How to download Bigo Live application on your PC. Start by opening up a web browser and downloading an Android emulator. You can download almost any Android emulator that you find throughout the internet. In my case, I've downloaded BlueStacks 5. Once you've downloaded the emulator, click it open and launch it on. After you open up your emulator, click on the Play Store option. If required, you'll need to type in your Google account credential to open up the Play Store option in your Android emulator. Once you reach to this page, go to the search area and type in Bigo Live and search. You'll be able to find the application displayed on the screen. Click on the application right here and click on the install button right next to it to begin the downloading process. Wait until the download is finished. It might take a while depending upon your internet speed, so make sure to be connected to a strong internet while downloading any application on your devices. After you're done with the download and installation, you'll be able to see this kind of a button that says open. Click on open and there you have Bigo Live downloaded for your PC. Now select the country code from the drop down, type in your phone number and then click next in order to log in. You can also go and pick one of the choices from the bottom in order to log into your Bigo Live account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.